Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to view Birdfy live feed on phone. Watch your camera in real time on iPhone and Android. So guys, to view the Birdfy live feed on the phone, first of all you download and set up the app. So guys, get the app from your respective app store. Then you guys open the app and the tab on sign up to create an account using your email address and verify it with the code sent your inbox. Step 2 guys, pair your Birdfy device. So guys, ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then guys, tap the option of plus icon on the app home page and select your specified device model. Then guys, turn on your camera by holding the power button for 3 seconds until the blue light flashes and the device shine. Then follow the on-screen instruction to scan the QR code on the camera with your phone screen. After that guys, step 3, access the live feed. Once the device is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, then go back to the app home. Then tap on the live tab to start the streaming. Okay. Then guys, use the live feed feature. While watching the live stream, you can use the on-screen button to do following. First of all, audio, mute and unmute the sound or use the microphone to talk. Second thing is guys, take a screenshot or the record a video of the bird to your phone's photo album. Also quality. So switch between SD and SD video quality. Control active the white light or trigger then alarm available on your module. Okay. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.